Dear partners, now I would like to introduce you the new model of ECL15B stacker. This is the model with capacity 1.5 ton, and we have 5 lifting heights available: 1.6 meter, 2 meter, 2.9 meter, 3.2 and 3.6 meters. Thanks to its structure, this truck has the excellent stability, and a little bit later I will explain you why. One of the most difficult things in designing of light-duty stackers with relatively high capacity is to ensure the perfect stability of the machine and to meet with the requirements of standards. Because of its own relatively low weight, it is very difficult to ensure that the lateral stability test will be passed with no problem. In order to ensure high rigidity of the truck, we decided to use rolled profiles: 2810 for the outer mast and 3019 for the inner mast. These rolled profiles can provide much higher resistance to bending and twisting. In order to make sure that the system doesn't have unnecessary gaps, the mast is welded to the chassis. Also, please pay attention that for the support forks of the trucks, we are using the solid steel material. The rollers used for the mast and forks have the integrated side rollers, which can be easily adjusted from outside, and all these solutions are directed to exclude the unnecessary gaps. The truck is equipped with tandem type of rollers on the floating structure. This structure allows better to overcome some minor obstacles. At the same time, please pay your attention on the forks. The forks have the welded structure and very thick ribs here, which really can hold the 1.5 ton load. This model is equipped with the function of free lift. Although it's small, only 78 mm, but it's still enough to lift the pellet off the ground without extending of the mast. Please also pay attention on the lift chain that we are using here, and the fact that this chain is hidden behind the cylinder. So when operator is working with the machine, the field of view is not overlapped. The truck is equipped with the function of speed reduction when forks are lifted off the ground for the height higher than 300 mm. You can see here the sensor for this. Also, we have the limit switch for the maximum lift height position. For this model, we are using the tiller, which is well known for our customers from ECL and EPT15 model. The structure of this tiller has the steel elements inside of the plastic body, which help to ensure the robustness of this tiller. Also, we have plenty of storage areas here where you can put some small objects, phones, bottle of water, or some documents. The indicator of the machine can not only display the status of battery charge, but also can show the amount of working hours, and in case of any fault code, the number of fault codes will be displayed. Let me show you more details about the internal structure of the truck. First of all, this is 48-volt system. That's why we have 4 batteries, 12 volt and 64 ampere-hours each. The truck has a pump unit with the power of 2.2 kilowatt. And please pay attention that the oil tank is plastic. The plastic oil tank helps to reduce the contamination of hydraulic system and also the contamination of hydraulic fluid. The side of wheel of the truck is easily adjustable. Adjustment can be done from outside by simple rotation of the screw. The truck has a thick apron with 8 mm thickness. This apron is able to withstand relatively high impacts from outside. The truck is equipped with integrated charger. The current of the charger is 8 amperes and it's able to charge the whole system for about 8 to 9 hours. Of course, we are able to provide any plug you may need. The truck is equipped with Curtis 1226BL controller. This is the new generation of controller, and in order to be connected with the system, you need to have a Curtis handheld programmer, which was produced after the middle of 2018. This controller works in pair with the powerful drive unit, which has the power of 0.75 kilowatt. The drive unit is equipped with the electromagnetic brake. The last but not the least, because this truck is designed using the module structure, a lot of parts which are used on this machine are exactly the same or substantially similar with the parts used on other trucks. Here I am talking about the tiller, about the plastic cover which is removed now, about the side wheel, about controllers, batteries, forks, rollers, and so on. Look how easy to control this machine. You can easily turn around, easily control the speed from very small to relatively fast. The lifting functions are here. That's really a good option for 1.5 ton and lifting height up to 3.6 meter. The truck is in the status of mass production, and right now we are ready to take the orders. For more details, please contact the salespeople.